I think the magic happens for our customers together because they're bringing solutions with sustainability. And what we are trying to do is to really, wrap around our portfolio of services and our engineering edge and our consulting edge to really deploy that for our customers together.
So linked to what Vikas just said, we have to bring solutions that can help our customers identify wasted data. Up to 2/3 of the data we store is never ever used again, but it's with Wipro that meets and comes together for our customers. We bring the tools and technologies, Wipro bring all of the skills to really bring those together to help people and to help our customers progress towards their sustainability goals.
Some of the biggest challenges is about data explosion, right? AI has been the buzzword from last 18 months to 24 months or so, and that's fueling a lot of data. So you need to have access to data securely. So that's one of the biggest challenge.
It's a multifaceted problem that you have to try and address here, okay? And it's easy to just look at the storage, but let's step back and look at the whole environment. Then once you've done that and you've addressed where there might be wastage there, then start to drill down. How much of the data that you've got is dark data, wasted data that isn't being used for anything, and see what we can do with that. Using Wipro Cloud, that's a key way of us becoming more sustainable. Workloads that go into that environment will typically be more sustainable by nature. And we enable that to happen, that integration with the cloud, and then the movement of workloads into the cloud to happen very, very simply. And then finally, the way you store your data needs to be the most efficient that it can be. It needs to tier older data to lower cost, lower power consuming technology. It needs to use deduplication, compression, compaction, these kind of advanced technologies for reducing the amount of storage required to support the physical data that sits on top of it. So for us, definitely a multifaceted approach, starting from the very highest levels of infrastructure analytics, right down there to the technology that you use to fundamentally store the data at rest.
One that comes to mind is one of the very large European, frozen food company. And we partnered with NetApp. And what we really did was re-architect their data fabric, where we basically, took them into a multi-hybrid cloud approach. And we basically made sure that they have 24/7 access securely and, where it's highly sustainable in terms of, we in fact have a dashboard that got implemented where you could measure the waste, you could measure the CO2 emissions, and you will be able to adjust your power consumptions based on the time of the day that you're accessing the data.
So I think going forward, we've made great progress, but there is always more to do. But I think what's really a big area that we're looking at is how do we make sure that with everything that we do, sustainability is built in, it's designed into the technologies, and then continuing to work with Wipro so that we can bring those things to life with our customers.